Enabling Ultimate Performance Mode in Windows can provide a performance boost to your system. Here are the steps to enable Ultimate Performance Mode. Open the Start menu and type Control Panel in the search bar. Click on the control panel from the search results to open it. In the control panel, change the view by option to large icons or small icons for easier navigation. Click on Power Options to open the Power Options settings. In the Power Options window, you'll see the list of power plans available. If you don't see the Ultimate Performance Mode, you might need to enable it using a command in the command prompt, admin. To do this, open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type the following command and press Enter. Once the command is executed, close the command prompt window and go back to the Power Options window. Now, you should see the Ultimate Performance Mode listed. Click on it to select it as your power plan. Please be aware that enabling Ultimate Performance Mode may lead to increased power consumption, which could result in reduced battery life for laptops and other portable devices. It's recommended to use this mode only when the system is connected to a power source and when you require maximum performance.
Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. Thank you.